Hello everyone. This is part 2 of unit 2 in Python. Now we are going to discuss about Python installation. Python is a cross platform programming language. That is, it can run on various platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and it can also be run along with Java Virtual Machine, .NET Virtual Machine. And to run a Python program, we need to have a Python interpreter. Now, what is this Python interpreter? This Python interpreter will take in the Python code and convert it to a low level language so that it is understood by the machine. When we install Python, we get IDLE. Now, IDLE is nothing but it's one of the most popular Python development environment, and IDLE is nothing but integrated development environment. It lets one edit, run, browse, and debug Python programs. So, with the help of this IDLE, we will be able to run the Python program. When we write any Python program, it can be done in two ways. One is interactive mode, and the other one is script mode. In interactive mode, I write one line, it immediately gets executed by the shell, and the other one is script mode. I give it like one complete program, that is few statements together. So now this is an example of an interactive mode. 3 plus 10 gives me 13. 2 plus 4 into 10 gives 42. Print hello learner prints hello learner on the screen. Print the result 40 plus 5 into 100. It prints result colon, that is whatever is given in double quotes appears as it is, and this gets computed. Now this is example of an interactive mode. It is statement by statement. Another example could be finding the average of three numbers. So if I give something like this, it gives the output in decimal number, decimal point. And pi into 5 into 5, pi r square, I can calculate the area of a square. I can also add to, when I give plus for two strings, strings are what is given in double quote, it will join the two strings together. A string with into 3 prints the string three times. So this hash 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 has now got printed three times. Hash hash hash, hash hash hash, and then hash 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 again. Now, script mode is for writing a piece of code together. So here I can have a lot more statements. We are able to save that code. I can reuse that code whenever I want to. So here in the ideally shell, I will say file, new file, and then I will type the program, save it, and I run the program for execution. So this is an example of a script mode. Print hello. I use a variable and I assign one value to the variable. So a variable has to be considered like a box which can hold a value within. Here I say print learner and I print the name of the learner. The name of the learner is Sam. A is equal to 50, B is equal to 300. Print A. 50 times, this gets printed as it is, 300 is 50 into 300, 15,000 gets printed here.